Are you tired of your eggs running together? Are you ready for the most dumb test of a brand new pan you've ever seen before? That's right, Nikki is out and has left me and the puppy alone together. So what are we gonna do? We are going to cook eggs in a completely unprepared non-stick pan that we've never used before. No butter, no Pam, no nothing. We're putting pure eggs on here and it's either gonna cook or it's gonna stick. Just so you know, this was provided to me to do this stupid test, but I am very excited to have this pan because in general, I am banned from using Nikki's pots and pans. I need to use my own pans. And I hate round pans where it's so hard to get the bacon to sit flat or you just don't have a lot of surface area. With a square pan, you have, I believe, about 20% more surface area for the same 10-inch as opposed to the 10-inch round. You can actually see this would be all extra surface area, which I have here to cook. As you can see here, this is ready for an induction oven, as well as we're gonna put it right here on the fire, on the Barbie, because I think one of the best use cases for this would be for an RV. I believe aluminum construction, it is super lightweight, very easy to assemble. All you do is it has one Phillips head screw to put the handle on, and then you put it on the stove like that, and you get 6 eggs, 4 for me, 2 for the puppy. And you pour it completely untreated into this pan. This is hanging by a very thin wire. I didn't try anything, I didn't clean this up or anything like that. I didn't prepare it. So far, so good. Actually, so far, ridiculously good. I feel like I'm gonna spill it, but look, watch this. Look at that. How freaking cool is that? Boom, and I did spill it. Now, one thing that I've seen as complaints from people, they've said on the edges, it doesn't necessarily heat evenly, and I'm not having that issue at all. It's cooking up nicely here on the edges. I'm actually trying to keep what's left of my eggs off the edges here. Look at this. This is so freaking cool. Here comes the dog, just figured out she missed out on spilling eggs. Take this, give it a good flip, turn the heat off. The dog to behave while we do this all at the same time. Wow, this is really very impressive. Let's go with just a little salt and pepper. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Okay, ready? Here we go. Okay, the egg slid right off. That's what it looks like with the eggs sliding off. Let's take a paper towel to it. Try not to burn myself, but I'm trying to do this quickly for you guys. Getting crumbs all over the dog. How about that? That is perfect. If you're looking for a great pan for guy abuse, or even if you're a woman who's gonna do proper things with your pan, this is a great option. All that extra space because it's square. It's gonna make grilled cheese perfect. Can't wait to do that next. If you wanna get this, there's a link here on the screen. There's another one down below. Please use those links. Remember, if I've added value, you need to like the video, follow the channel, and put in the comments, are you gonna use this like a real person or are you gonna use it guerrilla style like I did? Hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.